Hey there guys, Mr. Simple Auto Detailing here. As you can tell, I got my mobile trailer and it's all set up. We'll do a tour in the next video, but right now we need to do a maintenance wash on my truck. Bruce is looking horrible. I mean absolutely horrible. So even though it looks like it's going to rain, but I'm going to park it in the garage once I'm done. But let's take a closer look at my poor baby. Alright, my Santa Cruz Bruce is not looking so good, so let's do a maintenance wash and actually test out my mobile detailing trailer. Let's see if I have it set up the way I need it.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Under 3 hours, I got my truck looking brand new again. Trying to time myself, trying to get a little faster, but then it's hard when I want to be perfectionist. I know time is money, but you know what? That's okay. You know, I enjoy this. It is about the money, but it's also a hobby turned into a dream job. So I might take a loss, but I might not. But then my customers will absolutely love my finished products. And I know in the floor mat right now, I need to put a dressing, but I'm going to be going out again, and the dressing is just gonna, it's just gonna be destroyed, and it looks like it might rain, but I'm gonna park it in the garage. So thank you guys so much for watching, and next coming up, a tour of my detailing setup. I'm very new at this, and usually just work here, and you guys mostly know that, but it's gonna be interesting. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
Fake a smile until I look away.